It is hard at OCRV in Yorba Linda, California. So this is a 2018 Tiffin Phaeton. Pretty scary story the customer had. He was going down 2-lane highway and there was a semi coming at him, and he saw the semi starting to get loose and get out of control. So he started going off the road, and as he was going, the semi clipped him. You can see where it started here and got him, started getting into him pretty good. And then you can see where it took a damn hard impact in the wheel. So we're getting ready to, I think we've got the interior detrimmed because we're gonna have to remove the slide outs to get into this structural repair under here. You can see where this is the frame, upper frame that the chassis, this is all attached to the main chassis, and then this holds up the body on the outside here. So you can see how this broke away pretty bad. So we'll have to refabricate all these parts and get that back in there. You can see where it buckled up pretty darn hard under here, but no problem. We'll refabricate all those parts and weld it in there. It'll be stronger and, you know, as good as it was new, if not better. So we specialize in this Class A collision repair. We've got all the proper frame equipment, all the talented guys repairing this, the fiberglass, the frame, the chassis, mechanical work. So if you've got any motorhome repair you work, from just a, you know, light hit, scratch, to a major collision, we can help you out here at OCRV Center in Yorba Linda. So come see us at OCRV Center.